హలో మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈరోజు మనం డిఆర్డిఓ సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా లాంచ్ చేసినటువంటి హైపర్సానిక్ టెక్నాలజీ డిమాన్స్ట్రేటర్ వెహికల్ గురించి చెప్పుకుందాం. నా పేరు లక్ష్మయ్య, నేను సైన్స్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ మరియు ఆంథ్రోపాలజీ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ని. డిఫెన్స్ రీసెర్చ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా హ్యాస్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ టెస్టిఫైడ్ హైపర్సానిక్ ఎయిర్ బ్రీతింగ్ స్క్రామ్ జెట్ టెక్నాలజీ. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క పదం దీంట్లో ఇంపార్టెంట్. హైపర్సానిక్ అంటే ఏంది, ఎయిర్ బ్రీతింగ్ స్క్రామ్ జెట్ అంటే ఏంది, సో వాట్ ఈస్ మెంట్ బై హైపర్సానిక్. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క పదాన్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తాను. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ దీనికి సంబంధించి ఈ మిషన్ వల్ల భారతదేశం సాధించిన ఘనత గురించి కూడా చెప్పుకుందాం. విల్ డిస్కస్ ద మేజర్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఇన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. సో హైపర్సానిక్ అంటే ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ హైపర్సానిక్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎనీ aircraft which will travel more than Mach number 5. Equivalent to Mach number 5 or more than Mach number 5 can be called as hypersonic. So what is a Mach number? Mach number is equal to here you can see the equation m is equal to u by c. So what stands for m? M is nothing but Mach number. If the object is traveling faster than the speed of the sound or less than the speed of the sound or equivalent to the speed of the sound, it will be decided by the Mach number. So if the Mach number is 1, we can call that object is moving with a transonic. If the object is Mach number is more than 1, we call the object is traveling with supersonic. If the object is traveling more than 5 or equivalent to 5 or more than 5 can be called as hypersonic. Less than 1 Mach number can be called as subsonic. So with that you can understand into which category it fits. Hypersonic mission means, here you can see hypersonic means what? Here the spacecraft will move 5 times faster than the speed of the sound. So hypersonic cruise vehicle. So hypersonic air breathing scramjet technology. Air breathing scramjet technology means here the oxygen will be taken, will not be separately carried by the launching vehicle, and the oxygen will be directly pushed into that particular vehicle. So as the air breathing, so as it is taking oxygen from the atmospheric oxygen, we call this particular technology as air breathing propulsion technology. So far we have air breathing propulsion technology, okay, but that scramjet technology is only supersonic. So this is the first time of hypersonic scramjet air breathing technology. Hypersonic scramjet air breathing technology. The hypersonic cruise vehicle was launched using a proven solid rocket motor, so which move up to 30 kilometers altitude, where the aerodynamic heat shields were separated at hypersonic speed. And so you know that hypersonic, what is the meaning of hypersonic is nothing but any object which is traveling equivalent to the Mach number 5 or more than Mach number 5. Mach number 5 means what? If an object is traveling 5 times the speed of the sound can be called as Mach number 5. So Mach number 1 is if the object is traveling with the speed of the sound. Hypersonic combustion sustained. So this is a very somewhat critical and complex. Why? Because as the aircraft is moving, okay, so the air inlet will come. So as the air is coming from the air, atmospheric oxygen will be used by the hydrogen. The fuel will be the hydrogen. The oxygen will come from the outside, and from the atmospheric oxygen and the fuel hydrogen will combust together. Thereby the rocket will move in the forward direction. Okay, so the hypersonic combustion sustained and cruise vehicle continued on its desired flight path at a velocity of 6 times the speed of the sound. So 5 or more than 5 can be called as hypersonic. So it has traveled 5 times the speed of the sound, hence we call it as hypersonic, which is nearly 2 kilometers per second for more than 20 seconds. It traveled for more than 20 seconds. Air goes inside the engine as at supersonic speed and comes out at hypersonic speeds. So supersonic 1 to 5 Mach number can be called as supersonic. 5 and above, more than 5 can be called as hypersonic. So the air will comes with the speed of with Mach number 1 to 5, Whereas in the case of outlet of the air can be seen in hypersonic speeds indicates the aircraft is moving very successful. And second most complicated thing is sustaining the flame even at hypersonic speeds is the most complicated thing. The vehicle reaches a certain altitude, then cruises and also reaches very high temperature. So it has to maintain the temperature of 1000 to 2000 degrees Celsius during the re-entry while coming back. So actually, this is the missile technology which is best useful for the hypersonic cruise missiles. Cruise missiles will move in a will move parallelly along with the Earth. So that is why this particular missile technology is the most complicated technology through which India has proved its reliability. So that's about the hypersonic technology missile of India. Thanks for watching.